So you wanna be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You've got to pimp my ride.
All right, back for another test. So, was able to put the front tweeters in. Was able to put both the 6x9 speakers in on either side of the front doors. Everything is Infinity reference series, if I mentioned earlier. And now I'm going to test everything out. Last thing to do are the rear speakers and the back doors. But this is Huey Lewis in the news again, with 2/3 of the project done. Sounds better. Again, reference point. So I'm going to have to listen to each video, see if I can notice a difference. But I definitely can notice a difference with the speakers themselves. The speakers that I pulled out were flimsy, plastic. Man, it looked like they just could have broken just with just a simple twist. But the new ones that I put in there, definitely a lot heavier. You could tell the quality of what was installed. And so now it's time to finish the project and see where everything else goes. Now, anytime you actually do a project, let me turn that down a little bit loud. It's also good to do the finishes. And when I talk about the finishes, my wife doesn't know, I'm going to be upgrading the lighting that she has in her car as well. I just did it on my Mercedes and it made a huge difference. So putting the bright white LED lights in the doors, the ceiling, and every light that I can actually find. Because sometimes when that environment looks crisp, everything sounds better. So if you want to sell something, make sure you finish. So I'm about to finish this project and we'll let you know how everything sounds and we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned.